Today's video, we will see about how we're going to proceed with like the white map, only selecting the shapes that we would like to have as steady map in our steady. For example, we need always some package to perform certain activity. For example, we need SF package to read our shape files and GG package actually to nicely visualize our shape files, and we need additionally GG spatial package to add nose arrow and scale to our maps. Then at the next step, we have to always locate where our shape file data is found. Actually, for all R, actually we need to show the route that we're going to have a data. So my data is found in here in this route. I have to bring this route here as set WD. Then I read my shapefile. Actually, I have got the recent shapefile of Ethiopia, which is released in 2021, including the newly established regions and, of course, the Woredas and other administrative reshuffling in this case. Then I read this file. Immediately I can plot and see what my shape file or what my area map looks like actually as white and black without using any further color. It takes, of course, because it's like a huge shape file, it takes a while to be displayed here and display area, and we wait for some time, and we will have this like map, because it includes up to the Woreda and like city administrations, and it is like not nice to visualize like map actually as a map. Then we go further. Our interest is only to select here like Sidama region. And then we can subset, we use subset, and we give the shapefile that we have there. And then as it is stated, like admin one, name one of these as Sidama, actually. Like admin, if we go like to select, for example, zonal, we're going to change this to 2. And for Werda, we're going to change this 3, actually the level at which this particular shape file is found. Now we are only interested at regional level first of all, then we're going to select now Sidama region. Then after, we are interested in actually our steady area is not whole region, but we have to go to further the Woredas that we are interested in. In this case, Woreda as a variable, and we give Sidama region, and we use this pipe operator, which connects the result of one as input and gives us like output in the next step. For example, taking this as input, it's going to filter the next, like from admin 3, which is Woreda, and in the number of Woredas, we're going to select only like the Woredas that we wrote here. Actually, we have to look, because R is really sensitive, we have to look how it is spelled, the capitals, and how the correct spelling looks like. Then we run Woreda, and then we give like this Sidama region, and within Sidama region, our interest is to have Woredas in different color. Actually, we give Sidama region here only like SF white, the first thing. The second thing is the geom SF. Actually, this is how to geom SF is how to plot these shape files in ggplot actually. So we have to give only red color for this field. We did not feel anything about the words in the words, but we only give red color for the borders of these words. Then after we give like the other things, for example, scale and nose arrow. Nose arrow, his BL is below left and below left at the same time. Also the scale bar. And then after giving all these parameters, we have to, we also set the panel, I mean the grids, like how many grids we're going to classify our map, or we can make like only white background, but here we are interested to make like the, I mean, the grid has to be appear on the map. And then I give the grid using this. Actually, all this I used to show the grid on the map. Then while I run this, as usual, it takes a little bit time, but this already appeared with different colors, the words that I have already selected. So this is how we can select and we can show on the region or on the zone in which we are interested, and how we go into the steady area level in our location. If we want a separate map only for these three selected words, we only give the name of words here because it stands by itself as data. Here we'll read this as a data here, then we're going to use that as another file, and then we can plot this as independent, adding also like the text on it, the name of course the word, and we can plot a separate map for this word. For example, Loka Abaya is here, Darara is here, and Blatazuria. You can assign whatever color that you are interested, and you can arrange the I mean the what is called the major and minor grid that appear on the map, and the type of grid, either it is broken line or a solid line or whatever line that you want to show on your map. So that is it for today. Thank you for your participation.